The Glowberry Forest Adventure. When the sun dipped behind the hills and the first stars twinkled in the sky, little Ella the squirrel scampered to her favorite place in the world, the Glowberry Forest. This forest was special because its bushes grew tiny, glowing berries that lit up the night like lanterns. But tonight, the forest held a secret, and Ella was about to discover it. As Ella gathered a basket of glowberries, she noticed something unusual. One berry sparkled brighter than the others. It shimmered and blinked as if calling her. "What a curious little berry," Ella said softly, her fluffy tail swishing. She picked it up, and suddenly the berry floated out of her paw, leading her deeper into the forest. Following the glowing berry, Ella entered a clearing where thousands of fireflies danced in the air. They swirled and buzzed, forming shapes like stars and moons. The floating berry joined the fireflies, lighting up a secret path that sparkled like silver. Ella's eyes grew wide. "Are you showing me the way to something special?" she whispered. The glowing path led Ella to an ancient tree with golden roots that shimmered like the sun. At the base of the tree sat a wise owl named Orin. His feathers sparkled with bits of moonlight. "Welcome, little one," Orin hooted gently. "You found the berry of courage. It appears only to those with kind hearts." Ella tilted her head. "Kind hearts?" she asked. "Yes," said Orin. "Tonight, the Glowberry Forest chose you to help it grow brighter. Take this glowing berry and plant it under the sky's largest star." Ella carried the glowing berry to the top of the forest's tallest hill. The largest star twinkled brightly above. She dug a small hole and gently placed the berry inside. The ground began to glow, and the light stretched up to the sky, creating a new star that sparkled brighter than all the others. Ella smiled. "Now the Glowberry Forest will shine forever," she whispered. From that night on, the Glowberry Forest glowed brighter than ever, its magical light guiding creatures through the dark. The animals of the forest began to gather each night, sharing stories under the new star. The wise owl, Orin, often told tales of bravery and kindness that inspired all who listened. One night, a timid deer named Lily asked Ella, "Will the Glowberry Forest keep glowing if I share a wish with the star?" Ella nodded. "The forest shines brighter when wishes come from the heart." Lily closed her eyes and whispered her wish. Moments later, a gentle breeze carried the sound of laughter through the trees, and the forest glimmered with new life. The animals began to hum a soft tune, their voices blending with the rustle of leaves and the gentle chirping of crickets. As the seasons passed, the Glowberry Forest became a place where creatures of all kinds came to feel brave, kind, and safe. Ella, with her glowing berry, had started something wonderful, a magic that would last forever under the watchful gaze of the star she had planted. Years later, young animals would often visit Ella to hear her story. She would sit under the golden tree, now surrounded by shimmering flowers that glowed like tiny stars, and share how one simple act of kindness could light up the whole world. One day, a curious little fox named Milo asked Ella, "Do you think I could plant a glowing berry too?" Ella's eyes twinkled. "Kindness has a way of growing, Milo. If you find a berry that calls to you, follow where it leads." Encouraged, Milo ventured into the forest that very night. Guided by fireflies and his own brave heart, he discovered a shimmering berry beneath the roots of a glowing bush. He carried it carefully, planting it beside Ella's star, where it grew into a new light that made the forest shine even brighter. Soon, more animals followed Milo's lead, planting glowing berries that lit up the forest in a rainbow of colors. Reds, blues, greens, and golds sparkled in every corner of the Glowberry Forest, creating a magical tapestry of light that could be seen from the sky. Ella watched proudly as her small act of courage blossomed into something beyond her wildest dreams. The forest was no longer just a place of glowing berries. It had become a symbol of kindness, courage, and the magic that happens when hearts come together. And every night, under the twinkling canopy of stars and glowing berries, the animals would gather to celebrate, their laughter and songs echoing through the enchanted forest for all to hear.